Well, they've upgraded our room. So now instead of having a king, we have two singles.
What's that?
There's missing a hole in our wall. And I don't know, we didn't really ask for this view.
Well, I'm going to complain.
It's a bit of a view up here. Hey everybody, we're at the Sirenis again. Oh, we got two nice double beds. And no hole. No hole in the bathroom. But I guess you have to contrast that with the view. It's a bitchin' view. Excuse me. This is why. Look at that. Is that heaven? Look, that's heaven. Here's our neighbors. Of course nobody's home because they're all at the beach. They're out on outings or something. It just goes down there somewhere. There's the beach that hasn't been developed. And this is our like oceanfront little hacienda. And over there somewhere is the beach. The Gran Sirenis, Riviera Maya. There's the trail for the shuttle. Oh, here's a shuttle coming. There he is. Well, here we are, last day. Morning, just getting ready to go. Gonna take a little gander outside. There's the sunrise. Looks like a beautiful day. And it actually smells like flowers out here. Unbelievable. And there's the moon somewhere. Well, here we go, back to Canada.